So this thing actually, hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much butterflies for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this hair from WigMy from start to finish. I'm going to be showing you from the box how it came, how I achieved this style, everything. And you already know I'm a beginner wig installer here, so anything you're going to see is going to be easy, no too much steps, beginner friendly, and you're going to learn something definitely. So if you like to see this video, please keep on watching. This hair is so soft from WigMy. Like I said, this is their 24-inch body wave wig. It's a 13 by 4 frontal, so the parting way here is 4 inches. That's why I did this style, and then the part here is just enough for your lace. You'll see all of that in the video. As for the hair is so soft. I mean, and look at how easy it was. You will see how easy it was to get this. You will see how easy it was to get this style. And if you like this hair and you like what you end up seeing and you want to check out the hair, I'll have all the links to the hair in the description box, and also, you know, like discount codes for you in case you really want to buy the hair. Thank you so much WigMy for sponsoring this video, and without further much talking, let me show you the hair. I'm trying to make my edges lay flat, but let me show you what the wig comes. The wig comes in this bag. Inside it you have this Ziploc bag, and inside the Ziploc bag, the wig, of course, I've taken it out. I'll show you in a bit. But you also have wig cap. These are the things you get if you do decide to buy from WigMy. So beautiful cap. Yeah, it is so nice. You also get lashes. Get a water bottle, you get extra elastic band. So this is your 13 by 4 lace front body wave wig, and this is like, I've not taken anything out of I just took it out of this plastic that I came in. But then this is the wig, how the wig comes. It's a body wave wig, and this length is 24 inches. It is so beautiful, my goodness. Oh, that's the paper that comes in it. This is what the hairline looks like. It's not pre-bleached, but it's customized. You already know I don't do anything to my wigs, I just put it on my head. So let's see how this one looks straight from the box on my head. It has, you know, regular combs in the back and in the center, and this elastic band feels very secure. But the thing is, there's no attachment. There's no, like, I can't take it out and put it back. I'll have to cut it off. Oh, I should have removed the headband. It's fine. What I'm going to do right now is just to tint this hair with this stuff from Huda Beauty. This is what I always use, Tantor contour. Because I literally don't have a lot of pattern space. I'll just... This is how I tint almost all my laces. Very sharp. You can use foundation as well. You're so soft and so beautiful. So soft. And I'm just going to use this to briefly, really quickly, just slick all this front hair back. I'm sorry if the light keeps going in and out today. I decided to use daylight to film. Look how nice that hairline is, straight out of the box. I'm thinking to crimp this hair, so I have my crimp already hot here. Let's see. I'm just knitting out that part, make it as neat as I possibly can. Okay, this is the style I'm going for. I think I've gotten the rough patch. So it's so nice. I don't even know if I want to even crimp anything, so maybe I'll just... It's so nice. I need to... Because I'm wearing a black top, I don't even know if you can even see it honestly, because it's so beautiful. Maybe when I change my top, you'll see the hair better. But this is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace right now. Cut out my ear tabs. I'm going to just go ahead and take it from my head and cut off the lace. I'm using got2b glue to lay my hair. I always use it. It's better than glue for me because I don't know how to use glue well. So I'm putting 2 layers and then I'll let it dry. I went to change to this white shirt so I can show you this hair properly. Like, it is so beautiful and so soft. I just laid my hair now with got2b as you saw, and I'm just going to tie it. I'm bringing out all these side buns here, all the side buns on this side. I'm not bringing on the other side. And I didn't pluck this hair. You could do with a little bit of plucking. I'll get concealer to make my part neater, but this is how the hair looks without the black top, and it is so long. Let me show you the back. And it is so long. This is 24 inches and it's coming like to the top of my butt, like it's soft as well. I'm going to just crimp the hair now. Hi my loves, this is the next day and I'm currently preparing to go out, and I just wanted to come on and show you the hair. So after I installed it yesterday, I didn't do anything. I just left it straight. I tried to curl it like you saw with the crimp, but it was, maybe I don't know how to use the crimp yet. I'll try to learn how to use the crimper, but it was stressing me out, so I just left it and I just went out. The hair is so lightweight, so lightweight. So when I got back, I just decided to use this scrunchy thing. If you've watched Euphoria, you'll know where this is from. So now we're just going to unravel the hair together. I don't know if I need to oil my hand. I'm going to be using this olive oil hair polisher thing, just a very tiny drop. If you're interested in this makeup look, I have it on my Instagram, so I think I should have actually left this thing there first. So this thing actually, oh my god, I'm using my viewfinder because my mirror is far away, but nah, this hair curls so beautifully. I'm in so much shock right now. Oh my goodness, are you seeing what I'm seeing? I think you're supposed to just lift the hair up, or like lift this thing up, or I'd rather unravel it the way I put it back. This is so incredible. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to just take this out, and then this is how you're actually supposed to lift it out. That was actually so much more easier. Just took that out. Oh, I'm in so much shock. This is so easy. My goodness, like, I'm in too much shock right now. Where's my big comb? I'm not doing. I don't think I need a comb. Come on, body wave hair wear. Are you seeing what this hair is doing? I'm using only my finger and there's goosebumps on my body. Just using the hot comb to kind of divide that part even more. Then I'm going to use concealer to make that lines clearer, to make it like more. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this hair from WigMy. I don't think you understand the level of shockness that is going on right now, if there's a word like that. This hair looks so professionally done. Let me know if you want to see a video of me actually applying the curler. Comment down below, and in my next wig tutorial I'll definitely show it, or in a vlog. I don't know, I'll figure out something to show it. Okay. From the headband, the tape had placed. That's where this band is from. For this part here, this lace, you can see, I'll get that Huda Beauty Tonto I used to tin the lace. So let's just define this part. I don't even know if you can even see that lace here. It looks so much better. I hope you saw what I even did. Comment down below if you did. But like, it looks so much more like skin. Do you know this hair here is my natural hair coming through? And let me try to lay it down, because I don't want to cut it off. but that's when my front hair gets to. It's crazy, right? And I didn't want to put any baby hairs here, but I just have to do something to make it look like it was part of the plan. Like that. That looks nice, no? This hair is so beautiful. That's it. That's all I have to say. That's it. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my Jesus. How such. It looks like it just got back, you know, just this is it just got back hair. Alright? Alright? Because this hair just wowed me. Straight up wowed me. I'm just looking at myself and I'm like, ah, I'm a beauty to behold. Thank you so much, butterflies, for watching till this point. If you enjoyed, you already know, give me a thumbs up. Check out WigMy. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box. This hair is so beautiful. It's so long. It's so soft. It's so amazing. That's all I can say. And you see that you don't need to tint the later. I didn't even pluck anything and it looks this good. Like, I didn't need to do anything. Just use foundation, or if you have that Huda Beauty Tanto. Thank you so much to everyone who watched up until this time. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.